Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just wanted to talk about AT&T here again. I just made a video about them a couple days ago. They've had a great run up here again today. Might have to start trading this one again. I used to trade this one. Used to have about 50 shares here in Robinhood, and then it went up to like $31 something, and I sold out of them and started trading some other things, but the way AT&T is looking, again, I might have to start trading this one. But back to AT&T, as you can see, I have 16 shares here, cost basis of $28.59. This time when I bought in, my cost basis is lower than what I had last time, so if you don't know what AT&T is, just pause and read that there for yourself. But they've been around since 1983, $214 billion market cap, and this is the best part about AT&T, is this big, fat, luxurious, juicy dividend here of 7.02%. And they had some good information come out today, and not the greatest ratings, but on this one I don't really pay attention to the ratings. I pay attention to the price and this big juicy catalyst here. But back to AT&T, the CFO sees wireless promo offers paying dividends, and as you can see, this is just dated today, actually a couple hours ago. AT&T's recent offer of discounted iPhones and other smartphones for existing customers as well as new ones cost the company money but will help keep good subscribers in the long run, CFO John Steffens tells investors at Deutsche Bank virtual conference. On the upfront basis, it poses some impacts to EBITDA, but the results on a longer-term basis are so beneficial to us. Stevens says of the carrier's wireless earnings before income tax, depreciation, and amortization. We'll have to see how that goes, whether we keep that on or whether we adjust it as we normally do with others. But even with that, I would expect EBITDA to grow in mobility this year. AT&T is expected to detail more long-term financial forecasts at an investor event Friday. Shares rose 1.1% to $29.95. And as I said in my other video, anytime I can get this one under $30, I try. And I'll show you when I bought here last. I think it was about 2 Fridays ago on the 26th. I got in for $27.99. I couldn't resist, so didn't really have the $300 to throw in here, but I pinched some pennies and threw it in there because I knew it would go back up. So this I tried buying in, looks like the same day. So, and here's the actual last dividend that I got, 52 cents per share, and that's 4 times a year. So it equals out to about $2.08 per share if you keep it on the long term. So you can do the math and see how that would add up. I might do a video on that on AT&T later on, and just show you how the dividends compile. When you reinvest them on DRIP, there's a calculator in TD Ameritrade that's fun to mess around with. AT&T, Chevron, Oracle, Verizon, T-Mobile, and other stocks for investors to watch this week. And this is just dated yesterday. So if you have any of these, AT&T, Chevron, Oracle, Verizon, I have some Chevron, don't have any Oracle. I have quite a bit of Verizon, some T-Mobile. And if you have any of those, go ahead and put that in the comments as well. That would be interesting to know. It's a relatively quiet week on earnings calendar, with fourth quarter earnings season in the rearview mirror. On Monday, Casey's General Store and Stitch Fix report. Campbell Soup and Oracle release earnings on Wednesday, and DocuSign, JD.com, and Ultra Beauty announced their results on Thursday. The big three U.S. telecom companies all host Investor Day this week. Verizon goes first on Wednesday, followed by T-Mobile on Thursday. AT&T gets the last word on Friday. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, all three of these should be interesting ones to watch. Cigna will also present to investors on Monday, followed by a Chevron event on Tuesday. And on Thursday, shareholders, the IHS Markit and S&P Global will vote on the company's proposed $44 billion merger. Monday, which is today, Casey's General Store and Stitch Fix report quarterly results. Tomorrow, Chevron holds its 2021 Investor Day virtually. Walt Disney holds its annual shareholder meeting tomorrow. Been a lot of talk about Walt Disney. I haven't bought any recently. I have some in a retirement account that I've just been letting sit there, but since the Disney Plus came out, that's really boosted the stock. Wednesday, Campbell Soup, Franco Nevada, and Oracle announced quarterly results. I don't have any of those. Verizon Communication holds its 2021 Investor Day. And other senior executives will discuss the company's progress on its 5G rollout. So that should be very interesting. I've been trying to buy as much AT&T, Verizon, and not so much T-Mobile, but I need to be buying more T-Mobile on all the 5G plays. But there's only so much money to go around between all the penny stocks and other things that I'm in. But I do like to diversify and keep all of the 5G plays going, because those will be, they can't go down. I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but if you think about it and are optimistic about it, I mean, they can go down on a dip, but they're not going to stay down for very long. So Thursday, the ECB announces its monetary policy decision. It's expected to keep its deposit rate unchanged at a negative 0.5%. DocuSign, JD, and Ultra Beauty have conference call to discuss. T-Mobile has its analyst day on Thursday. And so, like I said, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday should be interesting. And back to Friday, AT&T holds an analyst day to update its business strategy and to discuss its capital allocation plans. And we'll see what the stock does the rest of the week. Back to Reddit. Not much there. We'll check out StockTwits, and right now it's at $30.20. And that's had a great run up here. I should have bought in this morning, but I wasn't watching AT&T, unfortunately. But I think the people that have AT&T hold it and hold it for the dividend. I have some in retirement, and I have it set up on drip, and it just sits there and does its thing. And when I get so many shares of AT&T, which I haven't decided how many I want, I'll probably shut off drip and use those dividends to buy other stocks. I just haven't decided when to shut it off. So if you have any shares of AT&T, that'd be interesting to know. Put that in the comments, as well as Verizon and T-Mobile. And right now, $30.19, and tip rank shows that a moderate buy of $31.88, high of 38, and low of 24. So that is it for AT&T. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and put your Hulk gloves on and smash that like button, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, and comments are always appreciated. And thank you for your support on the channel. Happy trading, happy investing. Stay green. Cheers.